According to the Department of Justice, more than 2 million homes are broken into every year. And in 1 out of 3, a family member is home.
Not on my watch.
This is why we designed SimpliSafe, the highest caliber home protection. SimpliSafe sends emergency alerts up to 10 times faster than ordinary systems. And unlike other systems, SimpliSafe works without a landline, so a burglar can't cut your security by cutting a wire. Tech experts call it better, smarter home security. Police departments use it across the country. Now you can protect your family with 24/7 professional home monitoring for less than 50 cents a day, with no long-term contracts, and save up to 20% on your home insurance. Try SimpliSafe for 60 days. You'll feel confident your family is safe or your money back. Click to get SimpliSafe now.
Welcome to SimpliSafe. Alarm on.
You may have heard of Ooma's award-winning home phone service with 911 calling and text alerts. Now you can get even more security and peace of mind by adding affordable home monitoring to your Ooma phone service. Ooma Home Monitoring is designed for easy setup that you can do yourself. There's everything you need to monitor your home: motion sensors, door and window sensors, and water sensors. If you're already an Ooma Tello customer, it's easy to add these products to your existing phone service. For those new to Ooma, you can purchase an Ooma Tello and add as many sensors as you need. At the heart of the system is Ooma's home monitoring mobile app, where you can check the status of your home at any time from anywhere. It makes it easy to configure your system, set up the type of alerts you would like to receive, and arm or disarm the system. Ooma Home Monitoring integrates with Ooma Phone Service to provide remote 911. In the event of an emergency, your home alerts you with a phone call or app notification and provides the option to connect to your home's 911 emergency operator. Your home address is automatically passed to the operator, saving valuable time when every second counts. The system can also alert you with a text message, email, or a voice announcement from your Ooma Tello. Ooma also works with the Nest Protect smoke alarm and learning thermostat and other popular smart home products. Ooma has made home monitoring simple and affordable. With easy-to-install wireless sensors and remote 911, now you can monitor and protect your entire home from anywhere. To find out more, go to ooma.com.
At Ring, we believe we can help stop crime before it happens, and that everyone should have smarter home security. Motion-activated cameras around your home and security monitoring within create a true ring of security that provides protection both inside and outside your home. Ring Alarm is fully customizable and designed to fit your home, always keeping you connected and putting security in your hands. Traditional home security hasn't changed in years. Ring Alarm is a whole new way of looking at security. Intelligent home security with outdoor cameras, alarms, and lights. A video doorbell with two-way talk. A security hub with smart sensors inside your home that all connect to you wherever you are, home or away. Ring is dedicated to whole home protection and has changed the way we look at security. Professional monitoring means there's someone on call with 24/7 protection, and 911 response is right at your fingertips, wherever you are. Ring Alarm is designed to be simple to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require professional installation. You can even do it yourself in minutes. Ring Alarm doesn't cost an arm and a leg and doesn't lock you into long-term contracts like other security companies, because everyone should be able to afford to keep their family safe. Ring Alarm is dedicated to whole home protection, integrating seamlessly with Ring Spotlight cams, Ring Floodlight cams, Ring video doorbells, and many other trusted security products. So you'll always be connected to what matters most. Keep crime out and peace of mind within. At Ring, we're making neighborhoods safer, and that begins at home. There's no better way to protect your home than with Ring Alarm.
With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors. You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in Ultraloq app through Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In Ultraloq app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety.